Are you planning a trip around the world and want to know which is the best travel adapter? No matter which part of the continent you are, you will not be disappointed. Stick around to find out more. So this is the travel adapter I am talking about. It's manufactured by Gaba Goods and it's got UK, Europe, USA and Australia. So say for example I'm in Europe. All I need to do is push this lever here and just push it once and I'll get the Europe socket to come out. Okay, so that's pretty smart, pretty darn smart. So Europe comes out, I can use it within Europe. Now, I need to get to the UK. So all I need to do is just push this and switch it here and then UK comes out. Cleverly built in it. There you go, that's for UK. Now I need to travel maybe to Australia or maybe to the US and just slide this lever. Okay, it's gonna go back automatically like so, and push it back here to the USA and Australia, and that's what you get. Okay, so once this is connected, you will see these lights turn on blue. There are two LEDs which will turn on blue. Cool. This socket here is for either if you're in, the US, Australia, Europe. It's just like a multi-purpose socket where it just connects and you can put any device on that. Okay. Very important to know. Also, guys, last feature. This comes with two USB slots, so you can charge two, for example, iPhones or Android devices or your Bluetooth speakers, etc. Anything that has a USB can be charged on that using that. Very important to note about the power. This is an AC Max 6A, 250 volts AC, and the USB Max is 2.1 amps, 5 volts DC. And as you can read, caution, AC of no voltage conversion, which means this is not a voltage converter. Please note, this is not a voltage converter. Okay, if you're using products which have a different voltage, for example in the US, and products which have a different voltage in the UK, do not use this product because it's not a voltage converter. Very important to note, or you're going to damage your product. Okay, you're going to damage your electronics. It also has no grounding, so please make sure of that as well, no grounding. And lastly, it has dual USB charging, which of course is explained you can charge an iPhone or an Android phone at the same time. And important to note, it's only for indoor use only. This product, Gaba Goods, is available at 5 and below for $5. It is a fantastic piece of kit. I've used it for a couple of months. It's very durable. It's fallen several times and not a scratch. It has a really nice feel to it as well, very strong, very well built. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel. It's 8181IT, where I review cool tech products and various gadgets. Until next time, you take care and I hope to speak to you next in my upcoming videos. Bye for now.